A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pavan Kumar. Today I will discuss two type of ellipse terminologies. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed type of ellipse, definition of ellipse. So in today lecture I will discuss both types of ellipse. Now first type is equation of ellipse whose major axis lies along x-axis. Now see. Equation of ellipse whose major axis lies along x-axis. Now see. Now there are so many points in ellipse. See. This is the figure. Of ellipse whose major axis lies along x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. You know everyone. This is negative y-axis. And you know this is the origin, means center O. Now there are 2 points, S and S dash. Now this is the line, this is the directrix. This is consider Z. Directrix means we are consider D1 and D2 are two directrix, and this is the Z dash, this is Z, and considering tangent is the line, this is parallel to y-axis, this is considered T1 and this is T2, and now this is the point capital A, this is the point capital A dash, this is the point B, and this is the point B dash. Now see. Standard equation of ellipse. Now first is standard equation. Standard equation. What we can write? This is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Now second point, foci coordinates s dash, that is plus minus a e comma 0. And now third point, center O, this is 0, 0, vertices A dash, this is plus minus A, 0, fifth is directrix equation x is equal to plus minus a by e and z comma z dash, z coordinate is a by e comma 0, z dash is minus a by e comma 0. Now sixth point is consider tangent equation, tangents equation, that is x is equal to plus minus a and a coordinate is a comma 0, a dash coordinates minus a comma 0. Now length of measure axis, seventh is equation of axis, that is y is equal to 0, equation of measure axis, that is y is equal to 0, equation of minor axis, that is x is equal to 0. Now see, now you will see equation of tangents I have written. Now ninth point is major axis equation, minor axis equation, foci I have written, tangents written, length of major axis. Length of major axis, that is a dash is equal to 2a. Now 10th is length of minor axis BB dash is equal to 2b, and 11th equation of latus rectum, that is x is equal to plus minus AE. X is equal to plus minus AE. Now 12th is length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by A. 2b square by A, and relation thirteen equation of latus rectum, length of latus rectum, and now 13 is relation between A, B and E, that is B square is equal to A square bracket 1 minus E square. Now this is the relation. Now 14th is eccentricity E, that is less than 1. Its result we can calculate by using this formula. So B square minus A square upon A square. So 1 minus B square by A square in square root. 1 minus B square by A square. Now this is the relation. Now you can see. And you know, now I will come to the next point. Equation of ellipse whose major axis lies along y axis. Now you can see major axis lies along y axis. Now see, Now see, we are going to draw the equation of ellipse whose major axis lies along y-axis. In case this type of figure you will see, this is the point O, 0 comma 0, A, this is A dash, this is B, this is B dash, and this is the directrix and this is the tangent. Similarly, this is the tangent and this is the directrix. Now you can see. Now see, this is the point Z, this is the point Z dash, this is D1, this is D2, this is T1, this is T2, this is focus coordinates, focus point S and S dash is here. So I will come to the last point, from last point or from ninth point. The length of major axis, this is BB dash is equal to 2B. Length of minor axis AA dash is equal to 2A. And equation of lattice rectum is lattice rectum is a line that passing through the focus. So here will be y is equal to plus minus BE. Length of lattice rectum, length is 2A square by B. And relation between AB and E, so B square is equal to, or A square, here is A square so A square is equal to B square in bracket 1 minus E square, and eccentricity E is equal to root over 1 minus A square by B square. Now see, now I will come to the next point. The next point is standard equation of ellipse. First part, standard equation of ellipse. standard equation that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, where a is lesser than b. And now second point is foci coordinates. Now foci we can write, foci coordinate is s dash. So foci s dash, result is 0 comma plus minus be. Now third point, center O such that 0 comma 0. Now fourth point is center focus, equation of tangent or tangent equation, directrix equation. What we can write? Directrix equation we can write x is equal to plus minus b by e. And now z point is 0 comma b by e, and z dash point 0 comma minus b by e. Fifth point is tangent equation, y is equal to plus minus b, and b coordinate is 0 comma b, b dash is 0 comma minus b. Now seventh point is length of measure axis. Equation of measure axis. Equation of measure axis, that is bb dash, and equation of measure axis will be, that is x is equal to 0. Equation of measure axis is bb. Here I am writing bb dash, that is x is equal to 0. And equation of minor axis, equation of minor axis, that is aa dash, or aa dash result is y is equal to 0. Now you can see. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 I have completed. Now see, T1, T2 are the tangents, and D1, D2 are the directrix, and S and S dash are the foci coordinates. O is the center. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. Now see. Now ellipse terminology is all coordinates, all points as shown in figure I have completed. Now see, if you have any doubts, you can ask frequently. So both types, equation of ellipse whose measure axis lies along x-axis and equation of ellipse whose measure axis lies along y-axis, been totally completed. Now see,